Assembling your Tomahawk backpack vacuum is quick and easy. Start by unboxing the unit and checking that all parts are included. To open the canister, lift the tabs on both sides and raise the lid. If you need to replace the HEPA bag, slide the new bag firmly onto the slot underneath the lid, then check that the shakeout bag is correctly in place. Then close the lid securely. Insert one end of the flexible hose into the top of the vacuum, twisting slightly if needed for a snug fit. Next, connect the two extension wands by pushing them together until they click into place. Then attach the open end of the flexible hose to the back of the wand to ensure a strong seal for maximum suction. The kit includes a floor tool, dust brush, crevice tool, and upholstery tool. To attach any of these, simply loosen the end of the wand by twisting to the right. Insert the tool, and then twist to the left to tighten. Once secured, the tool should rotate freely without affecting suction, giving you smooth movement in any direction. For better balance and comfort, adjust the shoulder and waist straps so the vacuum sits snugly against your back and rests on your hips, not your shoulders. This setup makes the vacuum feel lighter and more stable during use. Plug the vacuum into a standard 3-prong extension cord and lock the cord into the safety housing to prevent accidental unplugging. Flip the power switch and test for proper suction before you begin. To keep your vacuum working efficiently, check and replace the dust bag regularly. Never reuse disposable bags, as this reduces suction and filtration performance. With your Tomahawk backpack vacuum fully assembled, you're ready to clean faster, easier, and more efficiently. For more tips and tricks, click subscribe today.